everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this pink glitter Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Starting out with foundation, I'm just applying my L'Oreal Infallible Stay Fresh foundation in the shade 150 Radiant Beige with a Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. For cream contour, I'm going in with the Stila Shape and Shade Custom Contour Duo in the shade Medium, and I'm applying that with a Real Techniques contour brush. I'm applying it along the hollows of my cheeks, along my hairline and my jawline. For my nose contour, I'm taking a pointed crease brush, taking that down the bridge of my nose and just underneath the tip of my nose. This will help to create a slimmer and more lifted appearance. To conceal under my eyes, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light and blending that in with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Now just setting the under eyes with my Bobbi Brown Skin Weightless powder. I'm using that same Tarte concealer again to highlight my forehead and chin, and now setting the rest of my face with the Bobbi Brown Skin Weightless powder. Using that middle contour shade from the Anastasia Contour Kit, I'm going to be placing the powder contour where I placed the cream contour. This will help to add further definition. For blush, I'm going in with one of my favourites, the Balm Cosmetics Hot Mama Blush. This is a really pretty peachy pink shade and it has the most beautiful gold shimmer. To highlight, I'm using the shade Daydream from the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit, applying that to the tops of my cheekbones, my cupid's bow and down the bridge of my nose. For the eyes, I'm using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, going into the shade Burnt Orange and applying that with a fluffy blending brush into my crease. This will be our transition colour. Next up, I'm taking the colours Love Letter and Venetian Red and blending that into the crease and outer third of my eye. And again going back into the shade Burnt Orange to blend everything out. Next I'm taking the Too Faced glitter glue and placing that over the first 2/3 of my eyelid. This will help our MAC pigment to stick. And now just going in with the MAC pigment in the shade Rose and packing that onto the eyelid where I placed the glitter glue. Taking the shade Antique Bronze, I'm just going to be deepening up the outer third of my eye. And once again blending everything out with that first burnt orange shade. To balance out the eye, I'm going to be taking the Burnt Orange, Venetian Red and Love Letter shades and blending those under my lower lash line. For lashes, I'm using Model Rock's Style 266 Lash and just using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara to blend my natural lashes in with the fake lashes. To finish off the look, I'm using the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sellout, which I think is the most perfect shade to complement this Valentine's Day makeup look. So this is the finished makeup look. If you like this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what other types of makeup looks you'd like me to recreate. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!